For today's RDWW, you need to open up your math journal to a new page and glue the problem of the day down. Pause the video to do that. All right, let's remind ourselves of RDWW. R, we're going to read and understand the problem. D, we are going to draw the math way to show our math work. The first W is writing an answer. It could be a number sentence, but not every problem will have a number sentence because you might not always be adding or subtracting. The last W is when you write a sentence answering the question. So let's talk about this problem, and then we'll discuss if we need to do both W's. Caleb had 18 cookies. He gave 10 to his mom. How many does he have left? So now that we've read it and we understand what it's asking, we need to draw the math way. I want to remind you of 5-group drawings. 5-group drawing is a very important kindergarten skill that you will be using in 1st grade and 2nd grade. So when you draw these 18 cookies, you need to draw them in 5 groups. Then you're going to show a strategy of how many he gave to his mom to answer how many he has left. If you were adding, you would write a number sentence that shows what you added. If you're subtracting, you would write a number sentence to show that you are taking away. For this problem, you are going to write a number sentence. After you write your number sentence, write a sentence answering this question. How many does he have left? Remember, you either need to make a video or take a picture and make a voice recording. Your teacher needs to understand the math strategy you used. So walk us through what you did and tell us all the beautiful ideas in your brain.